Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check who screenshotted your Snapchat story. So I just tap on my account of Snapchat and I will just go in my profile and I will just tap on my story which I last upload at last night. So I will just tap on it and I will go in insights. So you will swipe up and you will see there is screenshots. So right now no one can take screenshot of my snap, and if I see another my snaps, that also no one can screenshotted my snap. So this is, if you want to see who screenshotted, you will go in your snap and check the insights you can get it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.